Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this makeup look here and it's my fourth look using Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. So if you want to see how I achieved it, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with MAC Painterly Paint Pot and just applying that using my finger all over the lids up to the brow bone. Then I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette and a color called Sail and applying that on top of my paint pot just to set it so it wouldn't crease and the eyeshadows would last longer. Next I'm taking colors Estate and Coastline, mixing them together and applying them into my upper crease using Zoeva Luxe crease brush and just really extending it out as well towards the brow bone. And I'm repeating the same step a few times just to get the intensity of these eyeshadows. Next, I'm switching to Zoeva 231 brush, which is a denser brush, and just repeating the same steps again, just applying the color into my crease. Then taking my Morphe M507 and just deepening that crease even more. So I really want my crease to look as intense as it can get using these two colors. Just to get more definition into my crease, I'm just taking Monte Carlo color and just applying this using the same brush and mainly focusing on the outer edges of the eye. Then I'm taking white color from the palette and a flat synthetic brush and just applying that on top of my lids.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun.
So after I'm finished packing the white color on, I'm taking my gel liner, Bobbi Brown gel liner, and just doing a winged liner on both eyes. Next I'm taking this beautiful turquoise color from the palette and an angled brush and just applying that over the top of my black gel liner.
Kids across the lane. Savannah.
To add more definition to my upper lash line, I'm just taking my Stila Stay All Day Waterfall Liquid Eyeliner and then applying my favorite mascara and lashes. Then going back to MAC Painterly Paint Pot and just applying that underneath the lower lash line. And the color from the palette Inheritance, which is a nice gold color, I'm just packing that on top of that paint pot. Then I'm using Nude Kohl pencil from Charlotte Tilbury and just applying that into my waterline. For inner corner highlight, I'm using color Seaside and just applying that using a small brush. And for the first time, I'm actually applying a fake bottom eyelashes, and these are little clusters of sticks. I was surprised how comfortable they are and how great they look. Once I'm finished with the eyes, I'm doing my face, and first I'm starting with Super Stay Maybelline Primer and applying that into my T-zone and making sure I'm really working this into my skin. For foundation today, I'm using Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation and just applying that using flat kabuki brush. To make sure my foundation is nice and even, I'm switching to Beauty Blender and just going over the foundation again. Next I'm taking my Nars concealer in Custard and just applying that under the eyes and using Beauty Blender to blend it out. Also setting my face with the big fluffy brush and the Nars setting powder. Contouring my face using MAC Medium Deep Mineralize Skin Finish Powder and also for blusher Nars Orgasm and just applying that on the apples of my cheek. Taking my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter and just applying that on the highest points of my cheekbones. This is one of my favorite highlighters and I absolutely love how it looks. Next up, I'm doing my brows. So first I comb them with a spoolie and then using MAC Spiked eyebrow pencil and outlining the bottom part of the eyebrows first. And then using lighter color brow pencil, this one is from Cascade of Colours, I'm just filling the rest of the brow and making sure I comb them in between just to get more natural finish. And then taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel and just brushing my brow here into place. Then applying some mascara on my bottom eyelashes and coating them a few times just to make sure they blend together nicely with the fake ones I applied before. Lastly, I'm doing my lips, and as always, I'm first lining my lips with a lip liner, and this one is Stripdown from MAC, also filling the whole lip with it. And then taking my Gerard Cosmetics Aphrodite liquid lipstick and just apply that all over the lip liner. Just to finish up the lips, I'm also using NYX Eclair lip gloss for more pop. So here is my fourth finished look using this gorgeous Riviera palette, and today I just went a super easy pop of color eyeliner, and I just wanted to show you that if you have a black gel liner and you like to wear it but you want to change it up a bit, just use a shimmer color from the palette, apply it all over the top of that gel liner, and you're instantly gonna have a pop of different gel liner color. So this is what I did today. I think this makeup look is perfect for maybe festivals or summer parties. It's very fun and playful. So yeah, I really enjoyed creating it today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see future videos. And for now, I'm saying bye, and I'll see you next time.